What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're taking a look at Arcblock this morning. Once again, Arcblock / Tether ABT USDT. Guys, getting a nice pump. We hit support perfectly. We're watching higher targets. Welcome all of the new subscribers. Let's jump into the chart here. So this is the Gate.io daily chart. We're going to zoom in here. So we were getting this pullback here, and we looked for support to show up at 102,460 or 93,400. So 102,460 was the first level, and that is exactly where support showed up on this very minor pullback here. From the top candle here to the bottom, so that was about a 17% pullback. So although large on a percentage basis, small relative to this chart. So once we found support here, we look for a move higher. So, or some kind of a reaction for a period of time. And we don't know how long that period of time will be. And the only gauge we have on the potential magnitude of that move is our next higher targets. So if we look up from 102,460 on the Gate.io chart, that gives us our two new targets that we talked about yesterday and maybe even in a previous video, but they are relatively new. So 136,200 right up here in yellow, $1.36200 is the target I'm looking for, guys. First target that I will be watching for the price to hit. We'll see if we get there. Above that is $1.49,800, 149,800. So we are close to taking out this level here, which is $1.25. We're sitting right there right now. We're at $1.25, 243, and looks like tonight's high was 129,405. So we're not too far off, guys, from hitting that first target, $1.36,200. So far, we have had a range on the day of about a 20, you can call it a 20% move, guys. And we have, let's see here, another 8 or so percent, 9% higher, and that first target will be hit that we talked about in yesterday's video. Let's go to a smaller time frame, and I want to show you where support came in at the price level that we have shared not too long ago. Here it is. We were getting that pullback, and we said look for support to show up at 102,460 for starters. That's the first level, and that's exactly what happened right here. And then the market took its time, put in a higher low here, and then took off like a rocket. So, like I said, we have not yet hit our higher target, but that's what we're keeping an eye on, and we'll see if it happens. There's no guarantees it'll happen, but there's pretty good chance. 136,200. It's about 9 or so percent above where the market is at now, and we've had about a 20% range so far. So that's going to be roughly like a 30% move from our most recent support up to our next level, our target, our next level of resistance, about a 30% move there. And we'll see how long that takes. So far, it's been 2 days, but we'll see if we get up there today, or maybe it takes a couple more days. We just don't know. So that's the first level that we're going to look for the market to have a reaction at, maybe pause for a period of time, and then, we'll see what happens from there. Does it continue higher, or does it turn that level into resistance and start to trade back lower? We just don't know. But what we do know is we're watching that level, and for right now, that's kind of all that matters. Above that, like I said, $1.49,800. If the markets continue to rally, 163,800 above that. That takes us into some new highs for sure. We're not going to talk about much higher than that. And then if the markets really start to tumble for whatever reason, 93,400 is a potential support, just like we found support here at 102,460. And then below that would be 73,685. So that really covers all of the bases right in this range here. So that is a big percentage spread, but it's very possible. So this thing has made a huge move, and right now it looks like the trend is continuing to the upside, although we do have to start making some new highs, and we have to hold those highs. Guys, thanks for watching. It's the 21st of February. Arcblock is up 15.68% tonight. We got about another 9 or so percent to the first target, which is at 136,200. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and join us if you have not yet. Take care.